Hello and welcome. This is Ahmed. In this video demo, I'm going to show you how to install Red Hat Linux 7.0 on Oracle VirtualBox. You will need VirtualBox. You can Google VirtualBox and download VirtualBox for your operating system. In this case, I have installed VirtualBox on Windows 10. And you will also need Red Hat Linux 7.0 installation image. You can download operating system image from Red Hat download. You will need subscription for that. Luckily, Red Hat developer program is offering free subscription for developers. So you can sign up and then download Red Hat Linux. Select the product. I'm going to download version 7.0 and the architecture is 64-bit. You can click on download now to download this image. I have already downloaded it, so it's in my local C drive in downloads folder. To create a virtual machine, click on new, enter a name. So let's give it Red Hat 7.0. Click next. Select amount of RAM you want to dedicate to it. In my case, I'm giving it 8 GB. And then click next. Select create a virtual hard disk now, and then click on create. Select the default option VDI VirtualBox disk image and click next. Select dynamically allocated and then click next. Here you will select the disk size for your Red Hat Linux virtual machine. Let's give it healthy 125 GB and then click on create. Now click on General, go to Advanced tab, select bidirectional for shared clipboard and bidirectional for drag and drop. Click on System. Choose the default settings here and go to the processor. And let's select the number of CPUs. I'm going to give it all 6. Click on Display. Increase the video memory, 128 MB. Select on Storage. Click on this empty with the icon of a CD image. And now we're going to select this ISO. Click Optical Drive. Select Virtual Disk File, which is our ISO. And we go to Download folder and select this ISO file. This is your audio setting. I'm keeping the default value. This is the network setting. Make sure it's enabled. I'm keeping the default value. Serial ports, default settings, it's unchecked, so I'm going to keep it that way. Keep the default settings for USB. And let's share a folder. Let's pick the downloads. Auto mount, download, and click OK. And then click OK again. Now select your Red Hat 7.0 VM and click on Start. Select the first option and then hit enter. On the welcome screen, select your language. Here default is English. Keep the default settings for now and click continue. Click on software selection and change it to server with GUI. I'm going to click on Java platform, KDE, remote desktop client. Maybe we need it at some point. Click on compatibilities libraries, development tools. When finished, click done. Click on installation destination. We'll use the default settings and click done. Click on network and hostname. Turn it on. When it says connected, click done. And finally click on begin installation. Click on root password. Enter a password here. And then click done. Now you can sit back and relax. Installation is in progress. Now click on reboot. Click on license information. Accept the license agreement and then click done. Click on finish configuration. Keep the default setting, enable kdump and click forward. Register the product, click yes and click on finish. Enter your subscription. Click finish again. Click finish. On welcome screen, select the language, click next. English US, click next. You can create a local user if you wish. So let's give it a name. Test user 1 and password. Click next. Select your location and click next. Click on start using RedHat Enterprise Linux server. We are almost done. Few more steps. Click on device menu and click on insert guest addition CD image and click on run. Enter password for test user 1 and click on authenticate. Now it says press return to close this window, so click enter. Click on test user here, power off, and click on restart. Now let's log in as test user 1. Click on test user 1, enter the password, click on sign in. Let's check the browser. Everything seems to be normal. Let's log in as root. So we log out as test user. Click on not listed, enter username root, click next, and enter password for root. Click sign in. Now let's check internet here as well. To shut down this virtual machine, click on root, click on power off, click on power off again. Thank you, and like always, have a nice day.